Holly here, and today I'm going to be doing a dorm building tour of Moore Hill here at UT. Okay, so welcome to Moore Hill. So over here we have the lobby.
Yeah.
So we have and we also have a ping pong table, which is super popular, and it's a great community. Everyone's always in here doing homework or just kind of like playing around. It's fun. Over here we have the study room. It's like a TV lounge. Super exciting.
Have you tried taking a screwdriver to it? Just yeah.
Tons of whiteboard space. It's pretty great. Then down this hallway we have the kitchen, and then we also have the laundry room. There's a secret laundry room, but I won't tell you where it is. You have to find that for yourself. Okay. So there's another entrance. There's like a few more, and so this is the laundry room over here. So you can come on in. These are the washers. We have some dryers over there. And it used to be based off of Vivo Bucks, but now they're free, so you can do as much laundry as you like. Fun facts, it used to be the buildings Moore and Hill, and then they just decided to put them together, so the more you know. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the kitchen. Okay. Come on in. So we have an oven, a stovetop, we have a microwave. It's really handy to come down here and like clean dishes and stuff. Highly recommend that. And then we have a nice counter space, so like you can enjoy your home cooked meal in here. And then we have a nice window to see out onto the street, so it's pretty nice. You can also, if you have like an excessive amount of food, you could just like store it in here. Like someone has a bunch of meat and stuff, so you know, if you're into that, there's plenty of room. Now we are on the first floor of Moore Hill, and I'm going to show you the Silent Study Lounge. It's pretty great because you don't have to go all the way across campus to the library or anything to get some good studying in. It's just right here in Moore Hill. So over here is the quiet study area. Okay, so that was a quiet study area. Couldn't really talk about it because people were studying, but it's open 24 hours. They have vending machines. It's actually really great, and it helps you get a lot of work done, so highly recommend it. What is your favorite part about Moore Hill?
How much it feels like everybody is part of one community, and it's not like other dorms where some people don't even know anybody in the room. Where here you can go to the lounge, and then people will be here just chilling, and you can talk to them.
I would definitely say the sense of community and definitely the size of the windows in the rooms.
and the pool too.
I'd say the community at Moore Hill is stellar and the location is muy magnificent.
Okay, and what is one word you use to describe it?
Community.
Yeah, family.
Fun. This place is beautiful.
So this concludes my dorm tour of Moore Hill. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll get back to you.